pickled beet and dill brine is the perfect bath for these deviled eggs that will soak up their bright color. These are then sliced in half and the yolks are saved and made into a filling with mayonnaise and other ingredients and then piped back into the egg cases. These are garnished and decorated, and they look amazing. To start the brine, I'm going to heat up 6 cups of water. I'm going to add a tablespoon of salt, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, and for that pink color, I'm going to add 1 medium beet. This is roughly about 1.5 cups. To pickle it, I'm going to add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and a small bunch of fresh dill. Allow this to boil for about 20 to 30 minutes and then remove all of the solids and allow it to cool. While this liquid is cooling, I'm going to add the bay leaves and the peppercorns back in. You can reuse the beets later and throw away the dill. The liquid is barely warm now. I'm going to add in 6 boiled eggs and half a cup of sliced white onions. I'll be using these onions later to garnish the eggs. You want to make sure that the eggs are fully submerged, so I'm going to transfer this to a Tupperware container and I will store it in the fridge. This liquid is good for 6 to 10 boiled eggs. Store it in the fridge for 2 to 6 hours. The longer you leave it, the more color will seep into the egg. Once it's stained, remove and wipe each egg. Slice each egg in half and reserve the egg yolks. Make sure to clean the knife with a damp towel in between. Use the back of a spoon, or I like to use a mojito muddler, to squish the egg yolks. Add 1 tablespoon of hot sauce and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, but only add this in 1 tablespoon at a time. Mix it after each addition. Finally, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped dill. Using a piping bag with a star tip, I'm going to pipe the filling into the egg cavities. You can garnish this any way that you like. I've added a sprinkle of chili flakes, a shard of bacon, a parmesan petal, a slice of olive, a sprig of dill, and the onion I pickled earlier. Enjoy and happy Valentine's Day!